Hey there, quick review on this Fordham portable air compressor. I'm going to give you the rundown on the key features and we'll go ahead and pump up a vehicle tire to show you how it performs. First thing to note, you get a really nice case with this. I've also reviewed other portable air compressors. They do not come with a really nice slick case like this. The Astro AI air compressor is a very similar size. It does not come with a case, so that's a key plus. Now, all that being said, with the case, you actually don't really need it because everything on this little compressor is contained in itself. So you could throw this in a glove compartment, behind your seat, in your trunk, wherever, and you're gonna be good to go. Nothing's falling out or anything like that. Simple controls on the front, power on button. On the back here, I do like with this, all of the accessory pieces that come with this unit fit nicely in there. They snap into place. They're not going to fall out or anything like that. Then of course we have the hose which pops in here. We'll go ahead and go outside now and pump up a tire and show you how this works. Okay, we've got this tire down to about 18 PSI. I'm going to go ahead through the process of plugging this in. You got a nice long cord here to reach to your 12-volt port inside your vehicle. We'll plug that in. You see the power come on. Now we'll just simply go ahead and hook this onto our valve stem. Tighten it down. I got 18.5 PSI. So I want to go to 31 PSI. I'm going to go ahead and just turn it on. Okay, so there we go. 31 PSI shuts off automatically. That took a little over 4 minutes to put a total of about 12 PSI of air into this half-ton truck tire. So these are really great for emergency situations. You can just keep it on your vehicle all the time, pull it out whenever you need it, and they just work fantastic in a really compact footprint.